Rivaj has launched its new facial range and it has everything. I'll take you through the step-by-step guide on how to get a serum-like facial at home. Step 1 is the vitamin C face wash. You have to apply it on a wet face in circular motion. It'll remove your dirt and impurities and brightens your skin tone. Wash it off and follow with orange double action cleanser. It's gonna deep cleanse with instant brightening effect and it reduces the inflammation that causes redness. Apply it on the wet face in circular motion and cleanse thoroughly. Next on we have this apricot brightening scrub. It will exfoliate your skin and reduces acne and blackhead. Massage gently with your fingers, focusing on the deeper curves near nose, eyes and forehead for 3 to 4 minutes. Now wash it off. My skin is already glowing. Step 4 is the massage cream. Apply to wet skin with gentle massaging upward strokes. Do it for 2 to 5 minutes. It will improve skin complexion and restores moisture, reduces inflammation and improves skin elasticity. Wipe it off with a wet towel. Next on we have the vitamin C skin polisher. Apply it evenly to your face and neck. It evens out skin tone and have instant brightening effect. Leave it for 10 to 5 minutes. Rinse it off and pat dry. Last step is the oatmeal facial mask. It absorbs the excess oil and soothes irritated skin, and it reduces the appearance of dark spots and blemishes. Leave the mask for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off and pat dry. There you have the smooth and glowing skin, and that too at home.